Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's a pleasure having you here. What we're going to be talking about in today's video, it might sound funny, but trust me, you need this. What we're going to be talking about now is sleep. Why is sleep important? Yes, why is sleep important when it comes to trading? A lot of people normally overlook this aspect, and trust me, it is very, very powerful. First thing I want to say, how do you feel when you sleep and you wake? You feel refreshed, right? But one thing I have noticed from a lot of traders, and I was guilty of this back then, was that because the market is 24 hours and we want to make good money, what do? We try to watch the market on a 24 hours basis. That is not possible. A lot of people are sleep deprived, and as they sleep deprived, something normally happens as well, right? As they're sleep deprived, they can't function well enough, right? Please take note, we're not here to talk about any charts. We're not here to talk about the market with respect to fundamentals or technicals or whatever. But we're here to talk about that aspect of sleep so that once you get a good night's rest, trust me, it doesn't even have to be at the night, it could be during the day. Because trust me, the market is not volatile all the time. And this is why we should not be staring at the market all the time. So that sleep, that siesta, that little nap that you take could easily go a long way. And one thing I always try to do before any trade, you could take a quick nap, just get a rest. And then of course, even during trades, because during trades, it doesn't mean you need to be staring at the market, or even after trades, or whatever the case might be. So please, a quick one, sleep is very, very important. I've heard a lot of traders say that they're going to sleep at the end of the week. That is the weekend. Trust me, sleeping only the weekend is not good. You must have a good balance. We don't want you to age too fast. Sleep is a way to recharge your body. It's a way for your brain to rest as well. Once your brain gets that rest, then it can fire, as it's supposed to. It can function as it's supposed to. So with that said, I want to say thank you guys for tuning in and then listening to what I have to say with respect to sleep. Please, please, please try this and see how it works for you, right? It will be so refreshing and then to help you at the end of the day to remain focused and all. So I want to say thank you guys. It has indeed been a good one. Do enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll catch you same time next time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we will get back to you in good time. Thank you guys. Goodbye, and God bless. Cheers.